Welcome everyone. I'm going to just do a quick session to show you guys how to get a free trial for Duo, for multi-factor authentication. I had thought that this didn't work, but it still works. I was not able to get the link in my email, but I figured out a way to actually get the URL. Like I wasn't able to see it in my Yahoo email, so I'm going to show you guys how to set up your account. Duo. They offer, I think, 14 days, might be 30 days. I'm not really sure how long is the trial for. It says 30 days right here, but when you go to the sign up page, the top right, you'll see free trial. Click on that. It'll take you to the page. If you scroll down at the bottom, it actually it doesn't really tell you if it's 30 days. It used to be 14. It might be 30 days, might be 14, but anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your account. So hashtag is going to be actually, you know what? Let's go hashtag TNT. That's tech and technology. So TNT is my company, and it's just me in that company. My title is creator, because I create content. And I'll fill this out. I will agree to this. I'm not a robot. And need an email address. I might have to blur this out for privacy reasons. I have used up a few of my email addresses already, so let's see which one is left. Okay, I have one email address I can use. And you can give your phone number there. I'm going to blur this out as well. And I'm going to start my trial. Once that is done, you shall get an activation link. So let me open my mailbox and I will be right back. I'll show you guys what I mean by not being able to click the link. So I have received that email. This is what the email would look like. I'm using Yahoo. If you're using Yahoo, Gmail might be different too. This link is not clickable, at least in Yahoo. It might be clickable in Gmail or something like that, but for Yahoo, this is the quick fix. You need to scroll down to the bottom, the three dots, click on more, and you need to look at the raw message. And there you'll see the URL for it. So there you go. So that is your activation URL. It's only happening for me on Yahoo. Doesn't happen for anything else. So I thought I shared this with you guys. So once you have done that, let me show you guys once the activation is done, what it looks like. So I'm gonna paste the link, the activation link. If it let me, I guess not. Let me try copying it again. Okay, attempt number 2 to copy and paste. There you go. It says hashtag TNT. You want to get started? I'm going to say yes, please. Then you need to create a 12 character long password. So let me create mine. Click continue, and I'm going to save that so I don't forget. I'm using RoboForm. I might be switching that to actually a different password manager like NordPass, because RoboForm is giving me a bit of grief. I'm going to go on my phone. I'm going to open the Duo mobile app. Click on add an account, and I'm going to scan this. And once it's done, you'll see continue. I'm going to save that to my Duo app and continue. Yes, that's my number, and that's it. you'll see the confetti and you're good. And that is all you need to do to activate and get your free trial. So I'm going to put my password in, and it's going to put, you can say push or text. I'm going to be using Duo Push, or you can use a passcode. So once you launch your application on your phone, the Duo MFA application, I can put the code. So it's refresh the code. So it's 834094, or you can do a Duo Push as well. So let's try to do that. Let's see if it'll let me log out. Going to log in again. Continue. And this time I'm going to use the push versus the code. And you should hear now a ding. There you go. That was my phone asking me to approve. I'm going to say approve. And I'm logged in. So that's how you will set up your free Duo account. I will be doing a guacamole MFA authentication tutorial as well. I'll be using this multi-factor authentication using Duo. So hopefully this was beneficial for you guys. I will try to set up the other sessions for different providers as well. Like I'm thinking of trying Okta as well. So we'll see. But Duo I've used before and it works really well. I do not know these configuration settings. This is the first time I'm actually logged in. Just wanted to share this session, this quick tip in terms of when you're not able to see the URL, if you're using the verification URL in your email, how to get to it if you're using Yahoo as your mail client. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please do comment, and then if you have any questions, feel free to post them down there. Stay safe.